Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about autonomic nervous system classification. In this, they are divided into two types, cholinergic agonist and anticholinesterase. Cholinergic agonist. This is directly binds and activates the muscarinic or nicotinic receptors, which stimulates the parasympathetic action. In this, they are classified into two types, cholinesters and alkaloids. In cholinesters, the drugs are acetylcholine, methacholine, carbachol, bethonocol. In alkaloids, muscarinin, pilocarpine, acrolein. Anticholinesterase, in which it inhibits the acetylcholinesterase and which slows down the hydrolysis of acetylcholine into choline and acetic acid, which increases the endogenous acetylcholine concentration and which stimulates the parasympathetic actions. Anticholinesterase are divided into two types, reversible and irreversible. The reversible inhibitors bind with the both aromatic anionic and esteric site. Irreversible inhibitors are which bind only with esteric site of cholinesterase and which inhibits the acetylcholinesterase. In reversible, they are divided into two types, carbamates and acridine. In carbamates, neostigmine, physostigmine, pyridostigmine, galactonamide. Acridine, tacrine. In irreversible, organophosphates and carbamates. Organophosphates are ecothiopate, parathione, diazonone. In carbamates, carbiide. Agonist actions on cholinergic receptors. On eye, pupillae, which cause contraction, which causes the miosis. Ciliary muscle, which causes contraction and cause accommodation for near vision. On blood vessels, vasodilation due to releasing of endothelium relaxing factor, nitric oxide. Lungs, bronchioles, which causes contraction and further results in bronchospasm. Glands, on glands, which cause increase in the mucus secretion. Gastrointestinal tract, in stomach increases the gastric acid secretions, intestine increases peristalsis, glands increases mucus secretion. Urinary bladder and ureter. Contraction and relaxation. Relaxation occurs in trigone and sphincter. Pilocarpine, obtained from the Pilocarpus macrophyllus and used in the open and closed glaucoma. Treatment has meiotic, which increases the outflow of the mucous humor and decreases the intraocular tension. Neostigmine, used in the myasthenia gravis disease, which is an autoimmune disease. Bethonocol is used in the post-operative or postpartum non-obstructive urinary retention. Neostigmine plus atropine used in the cobra bite. Physostigmine used in the atropo or belladonna poisoning. Donicifil, glanditamine and rivastigmine are used in the Alzheimer's disease. Atropine, paralleloxin and diacetyl monoxin are used in the anticholinergic poisoning. Diagnosis test, amyloretive test, edroponium test. Proactive test, D-tuberculin 4. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharma Medico.